Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And Windows 11 system will not go to the sleep mode. So first step, I give you the start to CMD. Type CMD and right click to run as administrator. Then click yes for access. Then type this command power cfg spaceless request and then hit enter. Okay. Then this will show the application services and drive currently prevails and sleep mode. So we need to update the driver. So close it. Just right click to Windows icon, and then go to device manager. First, guys, need to update the display driver. Okay, so find out the display adapter. Right click to update driver. Okay, and then close it. Okay, then slow down the monitor. Space right click to update driver. Okay, and then close it. Then guys, close. Then next, open the again cmd and next command to check the device. So click to start, again type cmd, right click to run as administrator, and then yes, then enter this command. Okay, and then hit it. Okay, so okay, then close it. Then guys, uncheck and disable walk availability. So right click, then go to device manager and extract the network. So wireless, you can see wireless means Wi-Fi, VLAN. Okay, update, click to property, power management, and this is if this check. So uncheck it and then apply and then close it. Then guys, next and final method, click to start and type the control panel. This is control panel, and select by view category and power options. Then click to change setting and then click to advanced power setting. Then sleep allow walk timer. Sleep extract, allow extract, and disable, both disable, battery on, and then apply and then okay, and then close it. Then guys, restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.